So guys, in today's tutorial video, I'm going to be teaching you how to generate a hyper-realistic image using Google Gemini with a simple but powerful prompt. Believe me, you will be surprised when you get to see the result of the prompt. So if you are interested in learning how to do this yourself, do not watch the video to the end. So without further ado, let's go. This particular picture was generated using Google Gemini. I did not go to any studio to take this picture. I only generated this picture with AI, but then I used a powerful prompt to generate this image. So I'll be teaching you how to achieve this yourself. First thing first, I want you to go to Pinterest. Now go to your search bar, go ahead and search for headshots. Okay, search for it. So guys, hope you can see the results we have. We have different headshots images here. So I'm going to pick the one that suits my preference. I think I like this suit. Yes, I love this suit, and we are going to work with it. So guys, the goal of this tutorial video is to teach you how to swap outfits. I love this particular outfit and I want to put it on, like I want to wear it. So I'm going to teach you how to use a particular outfit you like. That's the essence of this particular tutorial video. So go ahead and do what? Download this image. So guys, I've downloaded the image. Now the next thing you need to do for us to take this image to Google Gemini, which we are going to do right away. So go and launch your Google Gemini. If you don't have the application, go to Play Store and download it. So this is Google Gemini. I've launched it. Wow, this is the interface. Before you upload the two pictures, that's the reference picture and your picture, do well to change this to thinking. For some of you, the default setting is on fast, but you have to change yours to what? To thinking, in order for you to get a better result. Now, if you have done that, click on this plus icon. I'm going to upload the two images. That is the reference image and my picture. So guys, as you can see, I've uploaded the two images, my picture and the reference image. This is what I'm talking about. You get? Now the next thing we need to do is for us to give it the right prompt, like I said earlier in the tutorial video. So this is the prompt we'll be working with. Now let's upload the two pictures and wait for the results. So as you can see, it is working on the two images in order for it to swap the clothes. So I'm going to pause this video. I don't want to take much of your time. Beautiful. Guys, hope you can see this. This is mind-blowing. AI swapped the clothes and gave me that particular suit. Not only did AI give me the suit, it also changed my body posture. This image is looking so real. So guys, this is how to swap outfits using AI. Even though I don't like that glass on my face, I can still take it away, but let me leave it that way. This picture is very beautiful. So this is how you can achieve this using Google Gemini with this powerful prompt. So if you know you would like to gain access to the prompt, all you need to do is for you to head over to the description of this video. You find a link to our WhatsApp group. Join our WhatsApp group. The moment you join our WhatsApp group, we'll give you the prompts. Thank you so much. Do not forget to watch the next video that will appear on your screen. It is Vixen Tech. Lastly, if you know you are struggling with your skill and you want to upscale your skill as a graphic designer, I have a complete tutorial course for beginners. Do well to purchase the course. The link is in the description of this video. It is not expensive, it is quite affordable. Believe me, if you get that course, you are going to change the trajectory of your skill if you are able to get to the course. Thank you so much. See you in my next video.